This is a review of the Yanzie USB-C to USB charging adapter. I purchased this charging adapter because I needed chargers for devices that require different chargers, and I didn't want to have a bunch of different cords in my car and purse. Some of the features are its sleek case. It comes in pink or white. It has a mirror on the inside and comes with a SIM card tool, has a 12-inch USB-C male cable, and 3 USB adapters. This is the USB adapter. It has a 12-inch USB-C male cable, 3 USB adapters that include a USB-C to USB-A, USB-C to micro, and USB-C to lightning. Here you can see the different components. And next I'll show you how they connect together. You take the C cable and connect it to the charging device that you need, and take the other end and connect it to the USB port. And then you're ready to charge. And if you need to charge a different device, you can disconnect this end like that and put the other charger on there, and you're ready to go for a different device. Another feature I like is the phone or tablet holder that's on the outside. My experience with this so far has been that it fits easily in my purse and the charger works well with my devices. I recommend this product for anyone who needs multiple different chargers and wants to keep things organized.